Hello friends, this is the spelling test for Unit 19. Please make sure your paper has your name on it and that you write neatly. And let's get started. Word number 1, are. We are in first grade. Are. Word number 2, globe. The globe of the United States is very colorful. Globe. Number 3, went. We went to recess. Went. Number 4, some. Some of the students wore red today. Some. Number 5, fly. Do you like to fly in an airplane? Fly. Number 6, class. Our class is writing a book. Class. Number 7, flag. We have a flag in our room. Flag. Number 8, black. The sky is black at night. Black. Number 9, plant. This spring we will plant flowers. Plant. Number 10, flat. This piece of paper is flat. Flat. Okay, that's all of your spelling words. Rewind as you need to. And let's go on to the dictation sentences. Dictation sentence number 1. We are some fun kids. Sentence number 2. The plant has a black spot on it. Number 3. The class has a flag and a globe. Okay, this concludes your spelling test for Unit 19. I hope you did well.